Hello guys, welcome back. You are here with CodePurpose, and today we are going to start a series of some very simple exercises for beginners using C++. And today we are going to calculate the square and the cube of a number. First we will need a parameter which will be of type integer. Now we will need to read that parameter. Input the number cin n, and now simply we just write cout the square of a number is. Now there is two ways we can do the square of a number. We can write n, multiply it by n, or we can use the pow function. How do we do the pow function? First of all, the pow function is found at the CMath library. Include CMath. Now let me show you how the pow function works. First we will need to write pow. At first we will need to write the parameter which we want to find the square of. In this case it's n. On the other hand, we will write the number of how many times we would like to multiply n by. In this case it's 2. End line. Now we do the same thing with the cube of a number. We will copy this, paste it here. Instead of square we have cube, and instead of 2 we have 3. Now let's check if our code works. Let's put the number 2. The square of a number is 4 because 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and the cube of a number is 8 because 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 8. There you go guys, this is how we do the square and the cube of a number. Don't forget to like, leave a subscribe, comment below, and we'll hope to see you next time.